Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MNR KRISHNA. In this video, I am giving the solutions for assignment 5. I am just giving only 4 questions. I am not able to understand the 4 questions, so I don't know the answers. Before going to the video, please subscribe my channel. This is for 5th assignment. First question. Consider the following Verilog code using data flow modeling. This is the code. And if C is equals to 0, the Boolean expression for P would be here Q is equals to A bar and operation with B and operation with C bar whole bar comma R. Here R is equals to A and with B bar and C bar. A, B bar and C bar and whole bar. These are the two inputs, and here we using Q and R wires. This is the first gate output Q and second gate output R. These two inputs are given to the another gate, that is AND gate G1. So here output P is equals to Q AND operation with R, that is Q AND operation with R. So A bar B C bar whole bar with A B bar C bar whole bar. Here in this code C is equals to 0, then C is equals to 0 for first NAND gate also. C will be output of C bar is 1. In AND operation 1 is neglected, so that's why we have only A bar B whole bar A B bar whole bar. This can be written as by using De Morgan's law. We can write A bar into B bar. We can write as A bar B. A bar B, let us assume A bar B as an A B bar as an B. A bar into B bar is equals to A plus B whole bar. A plus B whole bar means A B bar whole bar. Here A bar B plus A B bar is nothing but XOR operation between A and B. XOR operation between A and B with whole bar. This can be written as XOR with. So P is equals to A XOR with B. So here XOR operation between variables A and B is a correct answer. So it's the right answer. And second question, for the given code, in question number 1, if C is equals to 1, the Boolean expression for P would be, the same code is given, but the value of C will be changed to 0. here same code will be here. If you c is equals to 1, the c bar will be 0. Then the output of NAND will be 0. If p is equals to, you know that, sorry, q is equals to a bar b c bar whole bar comma r is equals to a b bar c bar whole bar. Okay, that's it guys. And here c is equals to 1, then c bar will be 0. C bar will be 0, then it will be k to 0, then p is equals to just a minute. Here if sorry, so q is equals to, if c bar is 0, the whole is 0 and whole bar will be 1. So the output q is equals to 1 in any way, if inputs way anyway, and r is equals to the same 1. So p is equals to q and r, q and operation with r, so 1 into 1, 1 and with and operation with 1 will be 1. So output p is equals to 1. So correct answer is p equals to 1, second option. For third question, for the given code, question 1, if c is equals to 0 and primitive is replaced by r primitive, the Boolean expression for p would be, okay, here p is equals to same first question, a bar b c bar whole bar, sorry, this is a q, and r is equals to a b bar c bar and whole bar. Here c is the, here c is equals to 0, then c bar will be 1. Then we can neglect that input c, and here p is equals to q r operation with r, then q plus r will be a bar b whole bar plus a b bar whole bar. Here a bar b whole bar can be written as a double bar plus b bar by using De Morgan's law, and also a b bar also you can written as a bar plus b bar bar. Here a double bar means a, b double bar means b, Here a plus a bar means a. Okay, then plus b plus b bar is equals to b. Then the final result p is equals to a plus b. A plus b is nothing but half adder. In half adder we using XOR operation. So for this question the answer is XOR operation between A and B. Here the fourth question, guys. Here the fourth question is module unknown y a b c. Here y is the output and a b c are the inputs. Assign y is equals to c. Conditional statement, conditional operator is used. If c is equals to 1, a will be selected. If c is equals to 0, b will be selected. This is the code. Then move to the question. This code implements some output of an half adder with inputs p and q. Okay. This code represents a half adder. That means a sum. The two we are using XOR operation. Yeah, inputs are p and q. If I don't know the answer for this question, guys, I'm not able to understand this. This is confusing to me. So that's why I'm leaving 4 and 5 and 6th and 7th question. Sorry guys. Okay, then move to the 8th question. Consider the following Verilog code: module DFF, D flip flop, Q comma D comma clock. Okay, and then output register Q. Okay, input D clock always at the date positive edge clock. Okay, D. Okay, in the module, in which of the statement in the above code syntax error is present? We have to find the error, syntax error in above code. That is fourth statement. I think fourth statement. For always block, the semicolon is not required in the syntax part. So fourth statement is a syntax error. That's so option D is correct. And these 4 questions I don't know answers. If you know the answers for 4, 5, 6 and 7, please comment in comment section. It is useful to me and our subscribers also, learners also, the course learners also. Okay guys, I am selected. I probably selected the answers for 4th question is, I think it is probably selecting the 4th question and 5th and 6th and 7th questions answers. As for 4th question I probably selected as randomly selected these questions. These are not correct answers, it may be wrong, but I am trying from my end. That's it guys. There is no negative marks, that's why I'm giving the anything. I think I'm giving the random answers. That is for 4th question I'm giving A, and 5th question I'm giving C. For no reason guys, these answers are for no reason. I'm just randomly selected the answers. For 6th question I think A. For 7th question C. That's it guys. Okay, let's submit. I'm so much of tried for that questions. Those are confusing questions for half adder. Okay, thank you for taking the week 5 assignment. The work submitted. Please subscribe my channel and like the session. Share to your friends. Thank you guys.